Hi and welcome to this Composite C1 video where I'll be demonstrating how you can use XSLT to take full control of the website markup. In this particular demo I'll be creating a small feature which will be able to locate tables having a specific CSS class and add styling information to every second row in the table. A small but useful feature. So first off we need an XSLT function which can do the transformation we require. What I've done is I've created a function called transform content. I've added two input parameters to it. One parameter called enabled, a boolean, which enabled me to quickly turn on and off the transformation capabilities of the function from the outside. And of course a second parameter, which is the actual content I would like to have transformed according to the rules I have here. And that is an XHTML document. I don't grab any external data in this case. All I need I get from input parameters. Now on both of these I've specified some test data, so we can go and preview. This is my input parameters. I'm seeing my test data, and down here I have the output of my transformation, and you can see that in my table body I have every second row marked as odd, which enable me to use CSS to design stuff. So let's look at the template. It's actually fairly simple. This is it. I'm checking if we're enabled, and if we're not enabled I just pass through the content I get, so we don't do any transformation. And otherwise I'll be working on the content, and in general I'll just be copying, except if I find a table having the class text and below that one a table row which have an odd positioning. And if I do find that one, I'll still be doing copying, but I'll also append the odd class to it. Okay, so let's try to see this in action. What I've done is I've already embedded the function call here in my default page template. What you'll notice is that I've embedded it deep into my template, and it's wrapping a content placeholder. So we have two content placeholders on this template. We have a normal content and we have spots. I can quickly go to my content area and show we have the content and we have the spots. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm applying a transformation to only content and not to the spots. Right now it's disabled, so if we go and preview this page, I shouldn't get any response yet. So here we see our table, but we're not seeing any changes in the alternating rows. Now what we have here, both this table here and this table here, is handmade. This one is coming from a function call. Our transformation will work on both, doesn't matter. So I'll go into my layout and I'll just set enable to true. Save this. So if we go back and forth so we get a second preview, we'll see the effect of me changing the template. So now this content area here is passing through our XSLT. It's adding the odd class to every second row, which is giving me a different look and feel of it on it, both on this function result here, also on my static table, but not here in the spots content area, because I'm not wrapping that one. Now of course the scope of your function can be like a placeholder, like in this situation. It can be a specific function call if you want that, or it can be the entire document. You can actually wrap this whole thing inside a function call. So you do transformations